Wow! All right, guys, we are here today with
Gabe Cruz. What's going on, guys?
and we are back home.
It has just a real nice sense of euphoria, nostalgia.
Right here, Lance Silber landed his first kickflip right here,
That's
like
amazing.
this. Ah! We used to film every video here. I think I've learned a whole grip of tricks right here.
Insert laser flip clip.
Insert laser flip, frontside heel flip. And here we're back.
Oh,
and
man.
today we're gonna teach Gabe a nollie flip.
Yeah, I mean, well, there's a few tricks I want to do. The issue I have is I have a little ankle tweak.
Yeah.
So I want to do inward heel flip and kind of relearn that because I feel
Ankle
like I
tweak
can do
on the
that
front
on
ankle.
the front flicking ankle.
Yeah.
So I feel like I could do that because it's a heel flip motion.
Yeah.
But I also feel like nollie flip is also something I can do. I think the call should just be let's warm up for a little bit and see how everything's feeling.
100%.
Maybe if it's
we're
feeling
just
good,
like,
then
we're old. What are we doing here?
Dude.
We can't do this anymore. Why are we? We're so old.
I ran to my car a few minutes ago and both of my knees went and then I felt an abnormal amount of pressure right here and I was like, this is what it feels like.
Yes.
Well, it's all right because once you get warm you feel good, but man,
It's true.
Until
Welcome
then.
to the other side of 40.
Derek's right there behind. Show your stance right now,
I'm
D.
scared.
Show your
for my
stance
life
right there.
now. I'm literally stepping here.
I very easily could have put D in the sun, but we wanted to keep him up here so if I happen to land primo and fall forward, then at least we're both going down.
We used to call this the Mortal Kombat pit of death.
It is. It 100% is.
Okay, right here, first try, kickflip. First kickflip of the day. Oh
I'm not
boy,
gonna lie,
we
I'm not-
doing good.
Not quite there yet, dude.
Yeah, we gotta do those stretches. My daily skateboard lesson series.
Let's see how. Yeah, I think we're gonna be okay.
Oh, yeah,
that
this-
felt pretty good.
This girl is on fire.
That was not too bad. We're just gonna. Is it okay if I just run through a little warm up here?
Do all of it.
Okay, we're going ollie first. Let's hit a little fakey ollie.
Yeah.
That got about 2 inches off the ground.
That's okay, that's all you need.
Let's hit a little switcher. That was 1.5 inches.
That's okay, that's all you need.
We're operating with not a lot of height today, but you know, it's there. It was 4 for 4 right there. Have you ever thought, and this is completely going off tangent here,
Yeah.
but for those of you watching, if you thought this, leave it in the comments below. Have you ever wondered what your ratio of successfully landed tricks are, like your percentage?
Yeah.
Because I mean, think about, obviously games of skate, your percentage of land is higher, probably like 60, 65%.
Yeah.
But then you're doing a trick like a persistence. You spend an hour doing one trick and you land it once.
Oh, it's like a 1%.
Like, yeah, like literally 1%. So what do you think is the actual overall percentage of tricks that you've ever landed?
2%.
2%? Which when you think about it, why the hell would anyone ever skateboard? But then you think about it again, and that's exactly why you skateboard.
What? Hashtag, we're all quitting skateboarding, we're taking up golf.
No,
Let's see you get older.
That's not what I was saying. I mean, that's exactly the reason why it is so cool.
But can we get one video where Gabe teaches Aaron how to golf?
Let's go right now. I have clubs in the car. Wow.
Oh.
Got lightheaded right there.
Sheesh. Yeah, he's warming up in all his, warming up with his switch tricks. Wow. Can you do this way?
Yeah, that's my good.
That's the way you're talking about, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Nollie flip with that.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, you can do that. Yeah, you got that. Wow. Pop shove it king.
That was better.
Sheesh. No way. I did not know you were going for that. Those big guns. Oh, I love me front shove. I think you did a fakey big double flip here.
I have, yeah.
There it is.
Yeah, I did a lot here. Oh, that didn't pop.
Switch off the nose or tail?
I go off the nose. Okay.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Warm up okay. I put the land ratio at about 75%.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
But did you kickflip?
No.
Oh yeah, you're not getting no kickflip.
No, I'll do
yeah,
it.
the ankle. The ankle. No, leave it.
I think it's okay.
You think so?
Well, I do heel flip first anyways, though.
Wow, first try.
So bad, but we'll take it.
I'm not playing you a game of skate today. Okay, first try.
Okay, yeah, I think we're good.
So that's the warm-up complete.
Maybe I'll try like 3 nollie flips, and then I'll try 3 inward heels.
Oh, you're still going between. I thought we were just full in nollie flip.
Oh.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Let me try 3 of
Do your
each,
thing.
and then I'll kind of see which one feels the best.
I know for me, I couldn't inward heel to save my life right now. Wow.
Okay, so it's there, right?
Okay, let's see, nollie flip. First try! I feel like your weight ratio is just, if we correct some little thing there, you got it. Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Because I'm going full, I'm just listening to the whole video.
I think you got nollie flip.
Okay, all right, let's do it.
But then I don't want to say that.
I think I got both.
Okay, this is what I see. I see like you're going and then your weight is like so far forward that when you pop, your board goes back and you go like that. So I feel like if your weight is more that way, you're rolling that way, your weight is that way, pop, and then really just into the board.
Yeah, so I kind of got to centralize my weight a little bit.
Yeah.
All right.
And I think what you should do first is,
Yeah, take me to the start here. Whatever you think. Just crush your toe.
I think it's flick, step off with this foot to the ground, keep that foot high, and just get the flick going. Yeah, we can
Is
get
this
a
the
little.
position for the flip here?
Yeah, and then go up and then up. Yeah, and what's funny, you got to get the flick motion with your toe now up. Yeah. And one thing I know about the nollie flip is it's almost like a little bit of a late flick.
Yeah.
If you get a good one.
Okay,
Which I
so
have yet
practice
to do
that
today.
pop, flick, land with back foot first.
Yeah.
All right.
And just get the flick. Let me see if I can do it. You crush your toe right there? Like that. 100% going down. Dang.
I just want like a good one though.
Yeah, we'll get a good one.
Maybe landed like one decent one, maybe. You're right about the delay.
Yeah.
100%.
I think all these years I just never taught this to you so I could get you in games of skate. Like when needed, I could nollie flip and he would miss it. But now if he learns it, I got nothing.
Extreme comfort on a skateboard that I've landed on.
It's true. There it is.
Okay, so I rush it. I like freak out.
Yeah, the other thing in nollie tricks that I noticed, like a lot of pros like Shane O'Neill, they kind of put their foot like there instead of like there. And I don't know why actually. Maybe it gives them more control or maybe, because with the nollie, you're like popping forward, which is like throwing the board forward into your foot, which then you counteract with the flick. I don't know if that helps to think about it. Yeah, later. I think you concentrate maybe on your front foot and then make your back foot go later. Or maybe like think about it when you go like to this motion, like higher maybe is the way to think about it.
I feel like I'm flicking down.
Yeah. There it is.
This is such a mental, difficult trick for me.
Whoa, boy. Sheesh.
Let's go 10 tries.
10 tries?
Put a little something on this. I'm gonna put on this. So 10 tries for a smoothie, like a good
Okay.
one. Like a good, or a coffee, one of the two.
Deal.
Whatever one you're feeling like.
10 tries for a coffee or a smoothie. That was it. Committed, both feet. Both feet on there. That's what he needed. He gave a hoo-ah!
Committed individual.
What the?
Yeah!
Shane O'Neill got nothing on that nollie flip.
So bad though, dude.
That was so good.
Was it?
Yes! We need that instant replay. Okay, I owe you a
He
coffee.
was right there. I had him move. I knew it was in the back of my head. I knew if he moved, I was gonna go for it.
And then he stomped it.
All right, you wanna go back to back?
Yeah. Whoa, that was bad too. Yes!
Oh,
2 to make it
wow.
true? This boy, he knows. He knows.
I don't think I've ever landed a nollie flip back to back like that before.
Twice in a row.
Never.
That's what we out here.
And
We
you
out
know
here
they
learning.
work good, but that's the thing about skateboarding is you do something you've never done before, and then you just got to keep doing it. So maybe next time I do a nollie flip, or next time I film with Aaron, nollie flip will come a little quicker.
Well, now that you got that, we got to teach you the nollie. I mean, some nollie backside flip, nollie frontside flip. I don't even.
You saw my flip though. Do you think it's?
Well, we're gonna work on it. Just practice it in. Practice it in. Wow! Rocket. Yeah, I think doing a couple nollies will help too, like level it out a little more. Yeah. Yeah, now just do that and flick. Yes!
Oh, yeah. Knew he would have filmed me.
That was exactly like the Elden Ring DLC. So painful, yet so satisfying at the same time.
That was the primo. I took that pain to show what you mean, dude.
Thank you.
I took that pain to show what you mean. I don't know if I'm gonna get much better, dude.
Take that, Melania.
I think 3 to plant to tree, and we just take the wind. We don't roll any ankles today.
Stop it
And
right
we just
there.
walk away good. Because that's 3 nollie flips in one video, something I've never done before.
We hope you guys are out there learning how to ride a skateboard and having an absolute blast when you do it.
And you don't understand this mental battle that I've had with nollie flips that has transpired over my long skateboarding career. It is real. It is substantial. So if I'm here doing this now at my old creaky knee age, I'm just kidding, I'm not that old. But if I can do it, you can do it too. Hope that inspired you. Go out there and get it.
Let's go. We'll see you in the next video.